Okay guys, in the previous video we talked about how to draw drawings with that four methods. In here I'm going to select one of these drawing, and I want to give dimensions for that. And first, when we select this sketch, you can see here in the layer selected 0, not our OL. Please make it to make this sketch on the OL layer. For that, select this sketch and go to layer panel and select OL. Then your sketch is on the OL layer. Here you can see 0, but you when you select any of component in the sketch, you can see here OL. And then we have to then we are going to draw our dimension lines. For that, you have to change this layer to DL means dimension lines. And then and next thing you want to do is go to annotation and go to this panel, and in here select your style. In my case that is C40. Select that and then start to dimensioning. In here we only have direct lines. For that I'm going to use linear dimensioning method. Click it, then simply drag here to this green box appear. Click it and select the second point, the green box again, and you can drag something like here. Okay, and then here to here again I'm going to select those 2 points and I'm going to drag it here, and again you can select those points, and to align with these 15 this dimension line you have to select here, and then you will see something like this, and click again. And then I'm going to add this whole length. For that, click again start point and end point and drag here. It's very easy now. Then you can again add some dimension to this line, and I want to give this dimension line for 10 to here. This is in here to here is 10 millimeters, and here to here is 10 millimeters. I want to give here the 10 millimeters. Click this and select this, and to align with this, align intersection. Okay, and 10. And then this is the way how to do that. If you don't appear the green boxes that I mentioned earlier, you can simply switch on that on here endpoint in endpoint bar, and that's it. So let's meet in another video.